Hello, and welcome to our spring edition of Craft Makers. Today, we are going to make some egg box chicks. Let's take a look at what you will need. An egg box, a pair of scissors, PVA or craft glue, acrylic paints, some sponge brushes, a pencil and a black marker, colored card and some small feathers, shredded paper. Let's get started. Step 1. We're going to use both halves of this egg box, but this one is for later. First of all, cut down the center of your egg box and put the top half to one side. We're going to make 2 chicks using the side parts of the bottom half. Start to cut down one side and into the middle. And then do the same on the other side. Repeat this on the other side of the box. You can throw the middle part away. Cut these into halves again. One will form the top half of the chick, with these 2 little flaps being wings, and the other will fit inside, as the bottom half of the chick. For the one that fits in here, you need to cut away the extra cardboard. Make it nicely rounded and flat here. For this one, you don't need the long piece of cardboard, so cut that off. The 2 halves should fit together, like so. Step 2. Put some glue on the inside of the top part of your chick and spread it around. Place the bottom half inside the top half. Remember that the chick needs to be able to stand up, so just make sure that it can do that. Now, take your pencil and make a small hole in the top of the chick. Step 3. Now it's time to paint. You can paint your chicks any colors you like. Leave them to dry. Step 4. Now, we are going to make a nest using the top half of the box that we put aside earlier. Paint it any color you choose. We are going to decorate it with some leaves. We made some leaves from colored cardboard, but you could also use real leaves if you want. Now, glue the leaves to the front of the box. Use the shredded paper to line the inside of the nest. Step 5. Now, it's time to finish our chicks. They have wings, but they still need eyes and beaks. First, draw some eyes using the black marker. For the beak, cut a small diamond shape from some yellow or orange paper. Glue down one side of the diamond so that it looks like the beak is open. Finally, stick a feather into the hole at the top. And that's it, your chick is ready. Put your chicks into their nest. You can also add some chocolate eggs to the nest and give this to someone special. We hope you had fun. See you next time. Goodbye.